welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy Clutch C. Thanks for watching another Sliding on Twoz video. Hey, today, hey man, I don't know if you saw one of the couple of last videos. I actually dropped my bike because the kickstand was so tight, and man, I put a new spring on there and it was so tight I can't let it down with my foot, so I have to actually reach down there to let it down, and the bike fell over. Hey, check it out. Alright, so as you can see, my kickstand it's loose and it keeps dropping down when I'm riding. So I purchased a new one. The thing is, you can't pull a stand that's right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here, and it's right here, but you can't even pull it off with pliers. It is so tight. So what you have to do is, and here's the new one, you have to put pennies all the way, you have to bend it back and put pennies all the way across here, and on the other side, pennies all the way on the other side. And you have to just bend it back, stick the pennies. Now you can also use washers, flat washers, but I have all these pennies here, so I'm gonna use the pennies. So you have to put it all the way across one side and then all the way across another side. Once you do that, you bring the kickstand up. It's easy to take it off then. So you see, it works really good this way. But when I put it back this way, you know, it won't snap back up, and it just hangs when I'm riding. I mean, it doesn't hurt the operation of the motorcycle, but it just bothers me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put pennies all the way across here, pennies all the way across here. And I have to do the same thing on this side. I have to put pennies all the way across, pennies all the way at the bottom, and then it'll come off easily. Then the new one I have with the pennies all the way across, put it back on. And then once I take the pennies out, it should work just fine. And see right here, you can put pennies in there. And so the only way you do that, because you can't stretch it long enough, then you got to go in here. See if I can do this with one hand. You got to go in here and take the pennies out one at a time. And because what it was doing, it kept falling down, but it feels pretty tight now, and it is hell to get those off, literally, till you put those pennies in there. And what pennies do is every time you get a penny in one of those, it stretches it out. It stretches it and it stretches it and it stretches it, because you can't even grab it with pliers right here to pull it down. But those pennies, every time you put a penny in it, it makes it stretch. And so you just got to keep going and get all the pennies out. All right, so I just almost got it. So one more penny to go. So let's see if I can get that one more penny. And I'm doing this with one hand, tied behind my back. So I got that penny out. There it is. So it was hanging. When I would do this, it would just drop down and hang. But once I changed the spring, put those pennies in there is the only way to take it off. You have to put the pennies in there. See all the pennies I have on the ground? So you have to put them pennies in there to take it off. And before you put the new one back on, you have to put the pennies inside of the new ones. Then put it on there, and whoop, there it is. All right, I got her done. Got the spring changed. It was always okay like that. It just, when you would let it up, it would hang down. But now I got the spring on there, and she done. She's staying up like she's supposed to. She's tight. All I gotta do is bring her down. But make sure your kickstand is down, because if your kickstand is not down, it will fall over. Alright guys, just like that, it's done. I got a back jack down. We put the jack away. And we did it. Another job completed. I got it.
Wait a minute, you got the kickstand down?
Yeah. I foot slipped in the darn gravel.
Ready?
Yeah. It slipped in the gravel.
Be careful of your back.
Foot slipped in the gravel. It just slipped out.
Oh yeah, dude.
Man, but the problem is the way I dropped my bike after I put the new stand on, I can't get it to come down. So I had to lean the bike to the right and then try to reach here and do this and put it down. And that's how I dropped the bike. Okay, so I think I got a fix for that though. I just bought this new piece and we're gonna try to put this piece on. Basically what it should do is, I think it goes right here, but we're gonna put it on and see. So here's the piece right here. Now I'm gonna show you how it works. So now when I put it up, I can't get it to go down, but with this piece here, I can just do that. Then that gives me leverage to bring it on down. Alright guys, that's going to do it. Another project completed. Hey, thanks for watching. Hey, in the meantime, in between time, make sure you keep tools on the ground and y'all be safe out there. Later.